Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my Sunday routine. So it is Sunday morning right now. It is 11:16 in the morning. I woke up at 9, so I've been up for about 2 hours and I've just been watching some YouTube videos and just kind of hanging out. So I have a couple of things on my list today that I need to get done, just like typical Sunday things, washing my laundry, my sheets, whitening my teeth, doing yoga, stuff like that. So I figured I would just show you guys everything that I do on a Sunday. I also want to plan out some stuff for the week, so I'm just going to take you guys with me. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing, I just have my agenda planner thing here, so it's going to go to this week, and I'm just going to basically write out a list today of everything that I need to do. I like having a list so I can kind of see everything that I have. Alright, so now that I have my list of everything I have to do, I'm just going to start with quickly cleaning my room. I'm trying to get back into doing yoga, and Yoga with Adriene came out with this 30-day yoga thing. It came out a while ago and I tried to do it when I was in school, but I just never stuck with it. But now that I am done work and I have some time, I figured that I would start doing it. So this is my yoga outfit. The sports bra is from Aerie and these leggings are from Garage. Okay, so I just did my yoga. As you saw, I did the first day of the 30-day challenge, which is nice. Now I think I'm going to go lie outside for a bit, read my book, and try to get a tan. Alright, so I am just hanging out on my bed currently. I just filmed a what is in my school bag video along with some intros and outros for a couple other videos. So I have all this makeup on, and now I'm about to take all this makeup off, go eat lunch, and yeah, we'll go from there. Just making my lunch right now. I'm just cooking some spinach. Okay, so I just made my lunch. I have the spinach, an egg, then some carrots with hummus, and a glass of water. So I just went outside and tanned for a bit, went for a little swim, came back in, showered, and ate lunch, and now I'm just about to throw my laundry in the washer. So it's a little bit later now. I just filmed the try on clothes portion of my back to school outfits video. So that should be going up very soon. And I'm just about to finish my episode of Mindhunter. I just started season 2 yesterday. And I'm having a little snack of this Arctic Zero non-dairy ice cream, and it is the cookie dough flavor. I am currently eating a snack of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and watching Mindhunter.